So here I have 2 pounds of incredibly fresh shrimp with the heads and the shells on. And I'm gonna show you how easy it is to make a Spanish style chili garlic shrimp. It's gonna be delicious and very, very quick. The main thing that you need to do when you're preparing the shrimp is take your kitchen shears and just run them all the way down the back just to split open the shell. And now I'm just gonna chop a few cloves of garlic and then head over to the stove. So I'm putting a lot of good quality olive oil into my pan. And then I have some paprika and a few dried bird chilies. They are pretty hot. And then these are pasilla peppers. They had a bit of a fruity note to this dish. So the spices are starting to kind of fry a little bit, so I'm gonna go ahead and add in some of that chopped garlic and my shrimp. While the shrimp are kind of cooking on one side, I'm gonna go ahead and add in a little bit of dry wine. This is actually the wine I'm gonna be pairing the dish with, which is a Vignole. You're gonna cook them for about 3 minutes on one side and then flip them over, maybe a minute or 2 on the other, and then they're done. I'm gonna sprinkle these guys with a little bit of salt, pour the oil on top, and I'm gonna finish everything up with just a squeeze of lemon and a sprinkling of parsley. In every episode, I pair my dishes with a type of grape that you might not be familiar with. And this one is Vignole. It is a hybrid grape that was developed in New York, and it's grown extensively throughout the Midwest. And it has a kind of like pineapple-y, not sweet necessarily, but really fruity character, kind of like a Riesling. And so it pairs really well with spicy dishes just like this shrimp. Now, when you have one of these guys, you want to break off the head. And the reason why we went ahead and split open the shell is for ease of eating, because now you just slip the shell off, just like a peel and eat shrimp. Could not be easier. Head-on and shell-on shrimp are not easy to find currently, but as the inland shrimp farming industry grows, you're gonna be able to find shrimp like this that are incredibly fresh all across the country. So cheers to inland shrimp farming. If you are looking for this recipe and also some information on Vignole, just head to our website. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time.